I'm Sharon Lim. I am an independent Stampin' demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're going to do this fun fold with a reindeer play. And it looks, the belly band comes off and it opens like that. I use the Forever Plaid for the embossing part and the Reindeer Fun for the die cuts that actually cut out some of the deers from the DSP. So let's get started. You're going to need these pieces. A card base 4 1/8 by 5 1/2. The inside card is 3 7/8 by 10 3/4, scored at 5 3/8. Card stack 3 5/8 by 5 1/8. And DSP 3 3/8 by 4 7/8. A belly band 1 by 12. It could be a little shorter. I just had that. And 2 basic whites 3 1/2 by 3 1/2. And as you can see, I already embossed them with the Forever Plaid embossing folder. Little scraps for a label from the Nesting and Essential dies, and then I already fussy cut the deer. So let me get these measurements out of the way and we'll get started. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and fold the inside card, burnish it with the bone folder, and with these two we're going to actually score diagonally so we can fold it. I'm going to go do that in the scoreboard. And a little for the scoreboard, a little tip: the small ones for cardstock, the big ones for DSP. The reason being is you don't want to go all the way down the groove with the DSP. The DSP is thinner, so it needs that bigger one so it doesn't go all the way to the groove. I put a Sharpie mark at the 6" and the 4 1/4 and the 5 1/2 to help me with my card bases. And all you need to do is small one first, small one for the cardstock, line it up on the black line. It's easier to see, and just like that, you've scored it. And then we're going to go ahead and use a bone folder. And you can decide whether you want the emboss or the deboss part showing. And then we're going to go ahead and adhere it to the back of the inside card. I'm going to go ahead and use my Stampin' seal. And it goes right here on the back. Center as best you can. We'll repeat with this one. And that way, once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and adhere it to your card base. And it'll look like this, centered in here. Just a really small frame. And then continue layering first with your cardstock. I like doing it that way just so the corners don't pop out. Then the DSP. And that's how it closes. So we're just going to burnish that a little bit. Reinforce the score. And then with the belly band, my tip is to go ahead and fold over. Oh, trees are upside down. Fold over one side. Press that down. Move it over just slightly. So you're going to make that belly band just a little bit bigger so it'll slide a lot easier. Does that make sense? Just a little bit. You can see it just barely. A little bit of adhesive here. There you go. I already fussy cutted this one. There are some deer in the DSP that you can use the dies for. I already used those, so now I'm going to go ahead and adhere the belly band. And that's it. Put that cap back on. So here is this one. There's the one I shared earlier. there. So, what do you think? Pretty cool? Alright, so if you'd like to continue getting some video tutorials such as this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and feel free to like, comment, and share with friends that you think will be interested. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks.